a frozen lake.
Oh, Sayang, he said about 3 feet, so nothing to worry. Oh, wow. You're driving bigger than my one.
I haven't started. I just moved the shot.
Okay. What? No, we want to take picture with you. Yes, you're from here. Just distance. Yeah, distance. That's distance, right. Yeah. Ice fishing, buddy. Hey, go there. Go look. Oh, what? Is you're in the bottom of the lake already? Yeah. Take a video of that.
So we're here
Turn a little bit more.
watching this guy doing an ice fishing.
And when they bite,
Oh, you have to do it quick.
well, yeah. You look, I'm right there.
Yeah, fish.
Where?
Oh.
Look.
Oh, they're gonna come.
Look.
Oh, there. Lots.
Where's your bait?
I gotta find it here again.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn that.
Where?
On the floor. Turn the whole plastic.
This thing.
Yeah.
Towards where? There?
Just a little bit. Just turn. I'll tell you.
Yeah, because it was
Counter?
Oh, the other way. Other way.
Counter.
Okay.
Clockwise.
Oh, there.
See, there's my hook. Turn a little bit more. See, there's my hook.
there. Yeah.
Look.
Oh, there's a fish.
Oh, lots. Look.
That's
But see,
that's your
That's rainbow trout?
Perch.
perch.
Perch?
But see, when I look.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can see that.
See, there's my hook. And I'm going like this. See?
so they're attracting the fish.
You have to move, right?
Yeah. No, you don't have to.
No, I mean your bait, you keep moving it.
No, you don't have to. I put that big spoon, I put that hook so I can turn the camera and put that hook in the middle of the picture. See, look.
Okay.
There, good. You look.
You're just showing us. Okay. My friend, thank you so much for your time. Okay?
You betcha.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
My friend, one more. Yang, tupat ko dito yang. Ito kaluyo na pag. Stay here. Okay, here. One.